I'm Janice. I'm going to show you right now how to use and set up an AWS account so that you can use virtual machines with the free tier to do work that you need. So you go to aws.amazon.com, create an AWS account, put in your details. Oh, you'll just fill it in for yourself. Oh, let's look at these terms. Sure, we're going to read them. Use the service, changes, security, data privacy. 1.5 termination. You just need a credit card to hold it, but you always want to make sure you have turned off any virtual machines. Also, will keep running while you're logged off, and you will be charged for it. So let's go back. I've read them before. I'm gonna pause this while I enter mine. See the screen after you enter your credit card information. And right. And then you get your phone. You agree. You have them. We want the free plan. Free cost to the minimum for now. And then fill out your description. We'll just say that. Say that too. And then we go ahead and go to complete sign up. Okay, let's go ahead and sign into the console. Ready for it. Might ask you for email address. Make sure you write down what your password is or know it. And keep it safe. Don't want anyone running up your own AWS at the time. Okay, so we have this console. Now let's just go ahead and go to service. We want the EC2, which is Elastic Cloud Computing. Look at our name. I'll look at where we're at, Ohio. So it will have a virtual Ohio. We can click on this and change it to North California if we want. These are actually groups of their data centers. If you want to, you have to apply by their international rules though for each country. So whatever you're doing, you might have more or if you're doing stuff in other countries that are legal, but you we'll just go with North Carolina, Silicon Valley, so that might be easy. I can go with I want to show you running instances. Always make sure that 0 close them out. You will be charged. And whenever you heard that phone alert earlier, that was because I have text alerts on every time some transaction goes through on my credit card, and it actually checks your credit card and it says that a $0 transaction went through. So it doesn't actually charge you right away, but you could charge the nominal fee depending on what's your fee. I mean, it can be up to hundreds if you leave it running though. All right, let's go launch an instance. Okay, I have a Windows, but you can use any of these. These are all virtual machines. If you want to use Linux, you can. I just want to use a Windows machine. Um, I can use Linux. Okay, and you can choose whatever computer pressing needs you want, but they will be charged more. The memory, how much storage you want. I'm just showing you how to do stuff to be anonymous. Um, so we'll just go with the free tier. Make sure you know what it is. They have many options for them. Let's go to network IP. We don't want to do any of this now. This is actually if you want to create people that can access your account storage or the S3. We don't need storage because we're not really doing anything, but it's my 30 gigabytes. It's good enough. Security group if you want to access it from outside your computer, or you could change it to my IP or custom one. From anywhere, you can access it, keep your IP and login. Let's just say we just want our IP, and this is security group, remember that? But we're not right now. Okay, so it's going to say review and launch. We click that. Low to moderate. Micro, that's a free tier. Launch. It's going to give you an existing key pair if you have it, or you create a new key pair. Whatever you want to name it. Download it. Save it. And then keep it if you want to use it again later on. Oh yes, because we're doing the Windows one, you're actually going to need to download the key as well. The password from Microsoft. Okay. Um, let's see the ones that are running. To use a Linux, I think you need to get PuTTY and PuTTygen to generate a key that you can save and use every time. Running instances. P-U-T-T-Y-P-U-T-T-Y-G-E-N. Running. You never want to leave it running. Okay, so connect. Download remote desktop file. You have to download that. Save. Okay, now get the password. Please wait at least 4 minutes. Okay. Why not? Sure. Okay. We'll wait at least 4 minutes. This is my other files that I can't say. And that was the name of the key used to access this virtual machine. And this is to launch Windows virtual machine through AWS. Ask for your password. We didn't get it. It told us to wait and deposit. So it's been about 4 minutes. I clicked on try again. And so now it wants the key pair pack. This was it. We'll just get it from inside. And you decrypt. This is our password. We're gonna save it. Or wherever you want to save it. I'm just gonna save it. This can make your machine run pretty slow actually, and I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. Alright. Alright, so now that we have this password, and you'll see that it's running. If you want to connect anyways, sure, why not? This is our Windows 8 virtual machine warranties on the free tier. Set up. You'll want to remember you're in the virtual machine, so sometimes you can like lower it and just realize that you got a virtual machine here. It's not your actual desktop. Sure, because there's not really a network. Alright, so this is already pre-installed stuff. You got Windows, Internet Explorer. You also have a folder file, which covers 2008. It's not going to have any other files. Like all the download files I had. Sorry, that would be really weird. And you have 30 gigabytes, but it comes with 17.4 gigabytes. So it comes with different folders. You can keep stuff separate and keep it safe in the cloud this way if you want to run it like this. The purposes I intended is for us to have feedback forms after each massage session and have the client agree to have you represent them in anonymous IDs that they give. and a discount for the next massage session if we quote them directly of the good massage, the great massage that they had and their rating, and then post it on. Right, and these will keep popping up on Internet Explorer. What you want to do is get a better browser, like Chrome, and you want to download it. Just, just keep doing it. Keep closing those windows, and you download Chrome, and then you reset the browser. And it will be stored in your 30 gigabytes that it gives you for this desktop. Look, wait, this PC, we saw that we still have like 12 gigabytes. I'm not gonna take that. So it's not downloading. You can also download Firefox. So just add it. Close, close. So many ads, so many ads. It can be done. Okay. Um, I'm gonna pause this because it's just okay, and then you just sign up like normal. Enter your email. You have to just save your. That's not. Fill out all that stuff and then I went ahead and I'll go ahead and save that. I'm probably not gonna remember for this. Um, step. Okay, so for this step, I'm gonna pause it and verify my email. I went ahead and made sure that I'm in the right machine by going to this icon. Going to now go to my mail. Firefox or something else. I'm going to confirm. Make sure you write all your information down. Also, you will have to get the household and stuff. Verify. Now we can go ahead and go back to the computer icon. Make it big again. I don't want to do that. Okay, so we won't get those pop-ups anymore. Start looking at the web, and then there it is. Faster than internet. Jeff Bezos, he owns AWS, so that's no surprise. This was not on my Yahoo, but this is Firefox. Data mining, machine learning, deep learning. Okay. Alright, so you get the idea. This is how you operate in the cloud. You can do whatever you do on your regular computer and protect it. It is secure. Secure shell. Any questions, then go ahead and email me, janice@positivenews.com. But let me show you how to sign out. Because now it's running, and it could continue running and charging your account once it's past the free tier. If you do not shut it down, so we are going to go back. We have to lower this because the virtual machine is here. We have to go back to our instances, and it's running. See that? It's a blue filled in square, meaning it's marked action. Okay, we're already connected. Instance state. Go ahead and stop it. Don't terminate it because then you'll have to do this whole process again. Yes, stop it. Once you log back in, remember that you did save your keys somewhere. You know where they're at. This is your password. This was that key that they gave you. And then you also stored it here. But put it in a file that you know about. Also, in your file, I recommend you write your username, your password, and any internet and password that you have that you use to communicate in this network with valid transactions that aren't immoral or unlawful. Yes, because you still have to know that anything you do is still tracked, but it's protected in the cloud, so that's what you would do. And then once you have their feedback for their star ratings that they don't have the time to put online or they forgot their password, then you can have their approval. They marked it, they signed it, they wrote it, and then post it. If they don't, then you can't. So that would be immoral and ethical and probably unlawful. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out now that you know how to use AWS, and you see that it has stopped. It says stopped right here. If you want to log back in again, let me show you how to do that. Or North Janet, this is my username. It'll ask you to log in with your email and your password. To log out, sign out. Let's log back in again. I'll show you how to restart your virtual machine. Sign into the console. Password, it has mine stored. Janice@insignedpicture.com, but I didn't store the password. Oh, let me. Yeah, I did forget my password. I think this is it. Alright, we're logging back in again after signing out. You know you're in the right machine because it says Massage Negotiator. You can go to your recently visited services, or because you've only used Elastic Cloud, you can go here. EC2 under services. see the launch instance. Go ahead and do that. Oh, actually, that is the wrong one. Go to, really? Once you get familiar with it, it won't be a problem. And you can see it's stored here. We can just go ahead and go to action, instance state start. Yes, start. It's running. Now we connect. We're gonna have to do this again, download it again. Folder. Password. Get our password. It should be the same one. If not, then we'll have to open it. We should have Firefox. Firefox. We know it's right inside. Yep, we do. Open it up. Great. We have 1 GB of memory. There it is. Yes, I want to use Firefox as a default browser. I don't actually want to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and close out of this because I showed you how um, to log back in. These are very important. Time wasted if you have to do it again. Save these. Those are your accesses. And since you have these desktops, I think you can actually just open it back up again once you're logged in and connected. Okay, we can close that. Remember, always turn off your machine too. Okay, no, you can't reuse the same desktop. That's good to know. Alright, so go to action, instance state, go to stop. Yes, stop. Because you don't want to pay for it when you're not using it. It says stopping, you want to see what it says. I think shut down. I'm not sure, but it won't have an action verb. It'll be whatever past tense verb. And then I'll show you how to check the billing because you do want to make sure you're not. It'll say stopped once it's stopped, and that's proof I'm not being billed. Go here, my account, my billing dashboard. My billing dashboard. $0 spent month to date. I believe some of the terms was it bills you monthly or every 3 months. Keep that low. But if you did ever want to use their resources, have quite a bit of services. Here's the storage, elastic cloud computing. Um, they do offer many of these other ones I don't use. but they have something similar to Azure with Hadoop HDFS. They have relational database systems, data migration, machine learning, developer tools. If you want to get certified in these, or you are cool, then you don't even need to watch this. All right, thank you so much. I hope you learned something useful and can use it. We'll discuss this later. Have a good day. Thank you.